My name is Melania Stroud. I'm the plant logistics manager at Toledo Assembly Complex, and I've been with the company for 17 years. The Jeeps here would not be made without my team. Managing two plants, the Wrangler and the Gladiator, it's hands-on at all times, understanding what's going on in every area. We are non-stop. I'm 24/7, phone doesn't stop. The one thing that I've learned in assembly is that you don't operate in days or weeks or months. You operate in hours and minutes. About 4,000 parts goes to each vehicle, so we're moving all those parts every day. My job is important to make sure that we keep parts moving, we keep the plant running. We have purchase finish, we have modular parts, we have body shop parts. You can have an upwards of close to maybe 7,000 part numbers that we're dealing with. Actually, where we're sitting at right now, we're in the Selectivity Bank. The Selectivity Bank is owned by my scheduling team. They're the group to make sure that the parts are flowing out to production. Owning a Jeep made me more excited to even want to be here. I have an extra set of eyes of what does the customer want? What does the customer need? When we look at the Jeep that we build day to day, we always want the best vehicle for the customer.